Okay, let's see how this thing cooks. Sparkle. C and Archer. Alright, let's see how well you do. Let's test this out. Okay. Danheng is all good. Let's try to reduce Aquila's toughness as much as possible. Summon his mem. Perfectly fine. Okay. Okay. Alright, Danheng. Good thing. Okay, mem perfectly pulls up. Archer gives an extra skill point. Now, Sparkle advances Archer. Okay, beautiful. Now that he's in this state, now the toughness looks like I just need to break the side people. Side things, yep. Once I've ramped up my damage, aim at the balls. These little ball, the orb things are actually pretty squishy, so I think Archer can take them. Okay, close. Not quite. Archer, can you're out? Yes, it can. And there it is. Okay, not bad. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Okay, now trying to save some skill points again. Just leave the little guys, fine. Okay, Danheng's shields are still pretty healthy, that's good. Okay. This one shot. Oh, it did! Wait, it did one shot, that's crazy. Okay, Danheng, can you hold? Oh, okay, that's very healthy. Very, very nice. Well done, Danheng. I'm surprised. Oh wait, no, it didn't. Never mind. Alright, I got my hopes a bit too high. Did not. In fact, did not. One shot. It's fine. Okay, nice. Beautiful. Archer gets Sparkle's skill points back. Okay, just kill this. Yeah, cause like killing the side mobs also like reduces Aquila's mean HP as well, so that's pretty good. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's a bit weird though, cause like Aquila doesn't have like that quote unquote like shared HP thing, so I'm not quite sure if. But it seems like the HP is connected anyway, so oh well. Okay, it's back here. So okay, Danheng. Okay, I need you one shot this. Well done, Archer. Well done. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, Danheng can 100% sustain this. If I'm not mistaken, I think like killing the side mobs actually decreases the amount of damage that he does when Aquila does like that orc thing, so that's always pretty good. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, I think this is the one where I get skill point back, right? Oh, I do not. Oh, that's bad. Doesn't really matter. Should I go all in? No, just ult so that I can get a skill point back and send him straight to phase 2. I think that was a bit of a waste, but it is what it is. Alright, let's just save it this time. Oh, wait. Okay, Archer. Hold on, done. You gotta do your job, bro. Oof. My Archer almost died there. Sheesh. This now. Okay, you know what, that works, so I can actually, yeah, I just use it. Okay. Right. Okay, nice. Thundercloud. On this. Okay. Alright, still fine. Okay, now I don't have enough skill points here. Sparkle D6. Perfect, okay. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need tank a hit here, so hopefully. Is that fine? Oh my days! Oh my goodness! Oh, my archers almost dead. Ooh, okay, wait. Okay, Danheng, lock in, Danheng. Okay, just gotta keep skilling whenever things get a bit precarious, because I do not want my archer to die. That would not be very ideal. Not at all. Okay, archer one shot this. Good stuff. Right. Nice, okay. Wait, no matter what, I actually need to make sure that my Danheng sustains well. Just in case, because why not? Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, should be an issue now. Let's pull Archer up, it's fine. What's up? Wow, okay, he just one-shots with his skill now, right? That's amazing. It's actually wonderful. Oh, thank you. Yes? Yes? Alright, that's beautiful. Wonderful stuff. Okay. Okay. Attack the main body. Okay, final damage increase, that works. Okay, let's see. Archer, what can you do? Oh. Well. Okay, just attack the main body at this point. Okay, there you go. And sends him straight to the face. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay. Oh, please. My archer's dead. 126 health is not good whatsoever. Oh my days. Alright. Alright, 7 skill points is fine. Okay, I need to one-shot this. Thank you. One-shot this. Beautiful. Alright, now all in main body. Beautiful. Oh, high scene. Okay. Alright, the peak music is coming. Peak music is coming. Let's go. Danheng shields are getting a bit iffy. Not gonna lie. I don't have enough. Yeah, I don't have enough skill points, so. Danheng, can you sustain this? Okay. Nice. Do not. Thank you. Now all in main body, I guess. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. So close. No. Wait. That is so close. No way. Okay, wait. It's definitely doable. It's 100% doable. Definitely, it's 100% doable. I do not believe that it's not doable. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh wait. I was literally about to stop recording because I thought it was not possible. Well, surely. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. We are doing so for losing, we still we clash against the sky. You and Acha! Man! Oh my goodness! That was cinema! That was so cinema! Oh my goodness! Wait. Okay, I straight up did not expect that at all. Wait, what was that? Ma'am came in so clutch there. What was that? Oh, you know what? That was cinema, man. What a way to end up the run, man. Alright, so okay, so well, as you can see, that was very interesting. So let's just go through the builds real quick. So this is my archer. I think it's pretty decent, 93% crit rate, and with like Mem's buff, it's 100%, 103%. So no worries about crit rate there. Light cone, cruising S5, traces max, except for the basic attack. Relics, genius set. Let's go through real quick. Okay, and this is an E2 archer. So okay, so regarding the Eidolons, right? I'm not quite sure. I'm not certain about how much like E2 helped with it. Okay, you know what? Actually, to be honest, I think E2 was quite important as well because of how tight our skill point was and how tight like the damage was. So E2 was probably helped a lot here. But E1 was massive. Like I have no doubt in my mind that without E1 archer, this probably wouldn't have been possible. Probably. Alright, I'm not too sure. But E1 was really good. That's why, as you can see, right, because what E1 does is after Archer skills 3 times, he gains 2 skill points back. So if I don't have at least 6 skill points during Archer's turn, I just wouldn't skill at all, because I'll be wasting like 2 skill points here. So that's my general rule of thumb when playing with E1 Archer. So yep, that's E1, E2 Archer, sorry. RMC, Victory in the Blink, the not Herta Store, the MOC Light Cone, full traces except for these two, relics, 2-piece speed. Just go through it real quick. Okay, and yeah, E6, and the free Danheng Permanent with 4 of it on S5 because it gives attack stats, and traces max, relics, 4-piece recluse. Right, Eidolons E0, and finally Sparkle. Sparkle 162 speed, light cone with Sade. Okay, wait. I actually tried it once with S5 DDD for this particular run, for this particular Anomaly Arbitration. It was I couldn't do it. I couldn't really squeeze out the 6 cycles with an S5 DD, so I think in this run, Sunday's Light Cone really helped a lot because it really helped the skill point economy, especially since Archer saps up so many skill points. So with Sunday's Light Cone, this really helped in allowing Archer to be able to get 6 skill points during his turn, at least 6 skill points during his turn. So yeah, I think this was pretty important. Traces max, relics, 2B speed, typical build, yep, and E0 sparkle. So honestly, to be honest, right, to be absolutely honest, I was quite shocked when I was able to do this with Archer, because before this, right, I'd actually already cleared it once. I already cleared this Aquila once, but that was with using my S1, using my Archer S1, and yeah, same thing, same everything, including S1 Sunday on Sparkle as well. But so I was basically trying to recreate that, and also try to see like how low of a cost I can go before, how low of a cost I needed my team to be in order to clear this Anomaly Arbitration. So yeah, managed to do it with, let's say, okay, this is 3 costs, 4 costs, 5 costs, 6 costs, yeah, 3 costs, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 cost team. But I mean, Archer and Dan Heng were free, so I mean, if you want to count that out, I guess it would be 4 cost team. So yeah, 4 cost team for Anomaly Arbitration. I was quite surprised because I tried it with Saber. I literally tried it with my Saber. I tried it with Jingyuan, but they couldn't clear at all because of how bad the debuffs were, which is this. After an enemy target receives an attack, reduces the attacker's energy by 3 points, except when the attacker's energy is max. When an enemy target is defeated, an attacker regenerates 10 energy. But yeah, every time I attack the enemy, it literally saps my energy. And since Saber's whole mechanic is her energy, I literally had such a problem keeping her uptime up. And also because I usually run her with HOYO, HOYO could not sustain at all. Like, I'm sorry, but HOYO, like from my experience, right, my E0 HOYO could not sustain this well enough for Saber to really pop off. So yeah. And the funny thing is that I usually use Saber to bulldoze pretty much all the content in Honkai Star Rail. So like in MOC, in Pure Fiction even, to be honest, and like Apocalyptic Shadow, I usually use like Saber to bulldoze everything. So not being able to bulldoze it was quite a surreal experience, to say the least. But somehow my E2 Archer came in clutch and yeah, really saved the run for Anomaly Arbitration. The same thing happened for the last Anomaly Arbitration with Ligus as well, where I couldn't clear with Saber, but somehow managed to clear with Archer as well. So that was surreal. And if you're asking like, oh, why don't I just use Castrate? The thing is, I didn't pull for any of the 3.0 DPSs. So yeah, literally my team is, like, my main teams are Akron teams. Like, I have got an Akron teams, I got Jingyuan teams, I got Firefly teams. Let me just tell you, Firefly Super Break on this level was really iffy. It didn't really work out so well because my Firefly is E0, so that didn't really work out. Akron's also E0, Jingyuan E0, so yeah, Jingyuan couldn't work, Akron couldn't work, Firefly couldn't work, Saber couldn't work, and somehow Archer came out from the depths of the abyss and pulled my account right over the finish line. So that was really interesting. It was a really fun experience to do. So yeah, although Saber is really convenient to play, but to be honest, in my opinion, I feel like Archer is a lot more fun to play. Like, really a lot more fun to play. So yeah, I guess that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and Archer has done it again. Honkai Star Rail's strongest marksman versus Big Bird. One arrow, one bird, I guess. So yeah, really cinema, really crazy experience, really fun experience, and yeah, shout out to Archer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless all of you, and see you in the next video. Bye. Goodbye.